Okay, baby. Where are you?
Here.
Come here. Hi, everyone. Let's do it again. See, we're already huffing and puffing. That's not good. Hi, everyone. This is Deb Campos, and this is my daughter,
Brianna.
Brianna. We are back here at Cedar Breaks National Monument to do another small hike. Actually, we've been here on this hike. Sorry, this place is really high. It's 10,000 feet of elevation, so you run out of breath real quick. The oxygen is just a little. So we're here, Cedar Breaks, and then we're gonna do this hike. We're gonna start right here, and then we're gonna go here, stop at Spectra Point, keep going all the way to Rampart Overlook. It's very beautiful. We're gonna get to see the Cedar Breaks closer, and it is a 4-mile round trip. 2 miles to go, 2 miles to come back. Elevation changes very little, so should be pretty much flat. Alright, so let's get going, Brianna.
Yep.
Alright, let's start it. Here's the start of the trail. It is beautiful. Okay, let's check out this first overview. So pretty. Is that a little fire right there?
Whoa.
I see another little fire right there. Oh my God. We've been having a few fires here last week.
Already fires.
Hello. Okay, right there is the visitor center where people go for a look. This is such a beautiful hike. I totally recommend it. So last year it was November, a little bit before they closed this park, because they closed for winter. Nobody can come hike here in the winter because it's too dangerous. So we were here a week before, and it was already all snowed out. It was beautiful though, but we couldn't go past, I can't remember, I think that part right there with the stairs. We couldn't even see the stairs when we came last time. That part right there, we couldn't,
Snow.
Yeah, we couldn't go over that because it was so dangerous, and there's a big drop here, so it is dangerous in the snowy conditions. Where about those fires?
Oh wow.
Right?
Oh, I can see the smoke.
We are huffing and puffing. I think we might have gone about a mile. I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. Hasn't been a mile yet. So I've been fighting this crazy cold for the last month already. It goes and comes back, no fever, but I get pounding headaches and my throat hurts. So I went to the doctor, and he gave me some antibiotics, but told me to wait, see if my body could fight it off on its own. That was a week ago. Yesterday I just couldn't take that headache anymore, and I was like, I'm done, I'm taking the antibiotics. So I started yesterday, and I'm feeling much better today. But 1 month no hiking, it's a lot. Your body is gets used to very fast to inertia. I think that's the right word. Like not moving enough. Right, Brianna?
No.
But yeah. But this is so worth it though. So beautiful. This kind of structures, the hoodoos, they only exist here. I know I've said that before, but they only exist here in Bryan Head. Sorry, Bryce Canyon. That's it. No other place in the world. So you want to see something beautiful like this, you gotta come here. There's some hikers coming.
They were covered vows.
Yeah. I think that right there is Spectra Point.
Is it?
Yeah, we're gonna get to the very edge right there. So here we are getting close to a very old tree. Some of the bristlecone pines at Cedar Breaks are close to 2,000 years old.
Wow.
The oldest bristlecone in North America may just been sitting when the Egyptian pyramids were built almost 5,000 years ago. Wow. Okay, let's go check out. It's those right there. So pretty right here. Wow. So as far as I understand, this tree right here, it's 2,000 years old.
We're
Pretty
literally
cool,
at the
right?
bristlecone tree,
Yeah.
pine tree.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. This is the Spectra Point. Halfway. Amazing. So pretty. Here we are. Rampart Overlook. Wow. got some rest here at the Rampart Point, and it looks so amazing. But the clouds are coming, so guess we gotta get going, right, Brianna? All right, so what did you think?
It's good.
It was a good hike. Right now we got a little bit of an uphill, and then back to the car. 2 miles. So total 4 miles today's hike. All right, so I'm gonna show a little bit on the way back, but you guys mostly saw everything. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. And hope you guys have a nice weekend or week or whenever is it that you're watching this. Take care, and we'll see you